assembling, assembling, assembling. Verb. Definition: of people gather together in one place for a common purpose. Example: a crowd had assembled outside the gates. Verb. Definition: fit together the separate component parts of a machine or other object. Example: my new machine is being assembled and my old one dismantled. Verb. Definition: translate a program from a higher-level programming language into machine code. Example: assemble the program and produce a file suitable to input to the simulator.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.